Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to come on and do a plan with me. I don't know whether I'm going to talk through this because I'm not really feeling all that today, but it is Sunday and I really wanted to get this done for the memory planning thing for last week. So the week I'm working on is the 19th to the 25th of February. This is the kit I'm using. It's called Fairy Tale Wishes and this is from Vanessa Prince VI. I will, as always, leave her link in the description box. She very kindly gifted this to me when we did our swap recently, and yeah, it's gorgeous. So there is all the deco and build use and the weekend banner. These are the amazing full boxes. This is a three, not a double box, it's a triple box. So I can't wait to use that one. This one will be the one that I put in the sidebar. It says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes." So that's so cute. They're just so pretty. They're all your to-dos and stuff. The checklists and the bottom washi and this other washi, it's absolutely gorgeous. These are the full boxes, half boxes and things for your sidebar and your Monday through to Sunday. So yeah, if I decide to chat in this plan with me, I will do. If not, then it'll just be music all the way through. I did want to show you the last 2 weeks, so I did. This was for Valentine's Day. It was also my husband's birthday on the 15th of February. So that one is, this one was a printable off Etsy as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then the week before that, this is, I'm pretty sure I showed you this one. Can't remember, but if I didn't, this was the week before. I love the contrast of colours though, from the blue to the red. It's gorgeous. And then this one's like a marble and a green. So yeah, I'm going to get on with this, and as I said, if I don't talk, it'll just be music all the way through until the end. Alright guys, well that's the end of this week's plan with me. I will try and do close-ups at the end, but yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you Vanessa's kit. It is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I am sorry for not talking or no voiceover. For one, they are so noisy upstairs, it's ridiculous. And two, I just want to get this out as soon as I can. The voiceover takes so much time to do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.